Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Shiba. What's the current price of Shiba? What's the price changes occur in the Shiba? And a lot of people ask me question that is Shiba a safe investment or not? Shiba is safe now or not? So absolutely, my friends, I think Shiba at this time is safe now. Once again, friends, let's see, my friends, and let's see the more details about Shiba token. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. If we look the currently latest price of the Shiba in the market, you can see here 0.0001 USD dollar, friends. That is the currently latest price of the Shiba in the market. On the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the Shiba, so absolutely the last 1 hour pricing is going negative, last 1 day pricing is again positive, and last 1 week pricing is again negative. Only the last 1 day pricing is positive, except of these the last 1 hour, last 1 week pricing is going negative, friends. Let's see, my friends, let me show you, friends, the price chart. As you can see here, friends, if we look the price chart of the Shiba token, so that is the last 1 month price chart, friends. And friends, if we look the chart, so you can see here in the start of May they start a huge jump. You can see here that is the start of May, friends, and now after some days after 12 May they again falls down. You can see here the price of the Shiba are fast down after 12 May, friends, and now it is the end of month, so maybe there is a chances today falls down, friends. Maybe there is chances today falls down due to the end of this month. That is why a lot of people decide to sell Shiba token, friends. So now remember that now the future of the Shiba token, my prediction about Shiba is that same like that. You can see here in the start of this month they take a jump. So same like that in the start of new month, friends, in the start of June they will take a huge pump. In I'm sure that they will take a huge jump. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, especially for short-term investor. Don't be afraid by the Shiba token. It's time to hold. And personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba token, and my plan is that I'm going to sell my Shiba on the last of 2021, friends, because I know the future of the Shiba token is bright, friends. So that is why I really recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell. Anyways, my friend, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba? Please share in the comment box. And again, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching this video.